2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, guapea, and 1, 5, 6, 7, and 2. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Ola, welcome to another class in which we'll teach you another move for our beginner salsa course. Today we are going to do Paseala. This move is slightly different. It's one of the moves that starts from the lequeno. Till this point, all moves that we learned, they were starting with guapea. This will be the first one that will start with the lequeno. We'll also show you how to get into this position and how to start guapea after some other move that we already learned. Let's go. First thing, we'll go through Paseala. Paseala starts from the lequeno position, and not only that, it starts from arm resting hold. So we are holding right to the right in arm resting grip. Ola's hand is on my shoulder, and from this position, we start with the lequeno. We already done something similar with enchufla alarda exhibela, so you should remember how to do the lequeno from this position, but one more time I'll go through it. 5, 6, the lequeno, 1, 2, pull, and 5, 6, 7. And from here we go directly to guapea, but Paseala will continue further. So we'll show you how it works in full. 5, 6, the lequeno, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and then guapea to finish. So it doesn't finish with the lequeno, but it starts with the lequeno. We'll do it one more time and we'll talk about it a bit more. First part. Ola goes back, I go forward with the lequeno. We know this part. When we swap places, there is a difference. 5, 6, the lequeno, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So first, my step on 7, instead of facing to the left, I go forward. And also, I hold the wrist of Ola's right hand, only because I will pass it behind my back. So I'll pass palm to palm instead of grabbing it in any weird way. So when she walks behind my back, king, king, hop, I'm able to pass it to the palm. If I was holding palm already, there would be a moment when we would have to drop the hand. It's not very good. Now, the last step of those 3 was back, and we finish with another 3 steps forward from girl perspective. 5, 6, 7. We swap places one more time. So now I'll go through steps. Maybe first, from guy point of view. I start with the lequeno, 5, 6, left, forward, front, back, open, spot, right, front. Now I start traveling to the left, right, go back. And the last 3 steps, slightly to the right, left, together. We finish with guapea, back, cheeky, cheek, and front, cheeky, puku. From girl point of view, there is additional aspect to think about, very, very important, and it's tapping. Tap is used for changing directions. It gives you a bit extra balance. Sometimes you feel like, oh, extra step would be nice to change direction, and you can't do it. But you can touch the floor and tap and get balance then. So we'll go through girl steps slowly. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and now she carries on forward. There is tap with the left and forward with the left. 5, 6, 7. She rotated already towards me. Tap again with the right. Right continues. Front, front, front. And one more time the same in front. Tap with the left. Continuation with the left. Step, step, open. We continue with guapea. Back, cheeky, cheek. And front, cheeky, puku. We'll do it fluently with count. Or is there anything else, Ola, we should talk about? Oh, see, she's pulling my hand. That's a signal. We need signals. The most important is to give girl dynamics during this movement, pull quite a bit, or at least create this resistance, because she will open slightly on every 4 and 8 when she's tapping. And this is the moment when I have to tense my arm and resist and pull her opposite direction. We'll exaggerate this move now. 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Obviously, we don't want you to dance like that, but we want you to see where the signal happens. Okay, now fluently with count. 5, 6, the lequeno, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and back, cheeky chick, and front, cheeky puku, back, cheeky chick, and front, cheeky puku. I told you also that we'll show you how to get into it instead of starting every time from close position. For example, we can do enchufla mix. 1, 2, and mix. Nya, nya, nya. And we go. Tick, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Another variation. Enchufla, alarde, exhibela. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Arm is already in the right position. Paseala. Hop. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Works perfectly fine. So Paseala is very often an extension, something extra you can add when you already completed the move. You land in the Lekono position. Sometimes you might swap hands, sometimes you don't. So this is the last thing I will show you before we swap our position, that you see different angle as well. We can start from regular grip if it's more handy. For example, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I don't have to swap hand, it's already there. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And then guapea. So for example, enchufla, mix, paseala could work without swapping hands. And ping, ping, poku, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Nice one. Now we'll show you different perspective just for paseala. So from this point, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 behind, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, both back, chick, chick, and front, chick, puku, back, chick, chick, and front, chick, puku, and chufla, mix, hop, and swap hands for now, tick, 5, 6, 7, pull, 1, 2, 3, pull, 5, 6, 7, back, chicky, chick, and front, chicky, great.
Right, ladies, just when Michal was talking about this resistance and guy pulling you, if you notice my hand is always there. I never let it go to the front. So resistance from the guy also means resistance from you. So here, I don't let him pull me. So I don't go like this if you pull me.
That's correct. Yeah. So I'm giving tension, she's returning tension. This is how dancing works, yeah? There has to be constant interaction from both sides. I cannot relax too much, and she can't relax too much as well. What is maybe bad expression, because actually when we are dancing socially, we are quite relaxed. But when we are learning how to dance, our experience shows that you guys, students, are not giving enough resistance, both sides. So guys are not leading strong enough, and girls are not resisting enough. That's a general rule. It might be different with you when you are watching it. It might be that you are already leading strongly, or you are already following in very confident way, but majority of people at this level are not strong enough when it comes to resistance. Okay, I think that's about it. Let's go with music. The first round will start with D like an opposition. Pa, pa, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, guapea, and 1, 5, 6, 7, and chufla doble, alarde, 1, and paseala, and 1, 2, 3, E, 5, 6, 7, E, 1, 2, 3, E, 5, 6, 7, 1, okay, I'll change angle, 1, 5, 6, 7, and chufla, mix, hop, paseala. We'll swap grip one more time. 1, 5, and 1, and 5, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and chufla, alarde, exhibela, paseala, 1, new, and paseala, hop, and round, 5, 6, 7, behind, chick, chick, in front, chick, puku, and back, and 5, 6, 7. And let's do short review. 5, 6 al centro. 1. Dile que no. La chica. King. And chufla doble al centro. King, king. Los dos. King. Dile que no. 1. El 1. 7 and 1. 6, 7 and 1. Sombrero. Pull forward. 1. 5, 6, 7 and 1. 5, 6, 7 and 1. 70. 6, 7 and king, king. And king, king. And king, king. Paseala. Works in here as well. And 1, 2, 3, Kentucky. 1, 6, 7 and 1. And exhibela. And 1. And 5, 6, 7 and dile che no. And that's good enough for now. If I remember correctly, we are around class number 12 now. And as you can see, after these 12 classes, you have quite a lot of moves that you can put together, you can loop them, you can keep swapping them and create quite nice, exciting dance. If at that point you can follow all of them, that's very, very good. We always say to our students that the goal is not really to learn many moves. Learning moves is just a way to get there. Yeah, by learning new moves, you keep your motivation high. It's like, oh, another thing, I need to learn that. And because of that, you become a better dancer in general. But the whole point is to become a fluent dancer. So you can, without thinking, without analyzing, follow the music, enjoy dancing with your partner. So if you would like to get to this stage with us, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. You can find all descriptions under this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.